This is the scenario. Every day going home.
Oh, very good man sa baby ni Mami. Ang baby ni Ann Curtis. Ang bana ni Ann Curtis. Ang bana ni Ann Curtis, dali. Ha? So what do you eat? What did you eat na gani? What are you eating? Tell them what are you eating. Oh, so what do you want? What's that? What's that? Bacon? That's bacon? Oo. So why di nga wala ka to nag-eat inside the classroom? Ay, in the canteen? Why you didn't eat in the canteen? Ha? Why? Tell me. Tell me, may bakit nga ba? Tell me gani, bakit nga ba? Why you didn't eat inside the classroom? Ay, in the canteen gali? Ha, Mary? Yummy? Nagano ka to sa inside the school, nag-iat ka to? What did you do inside the school, nag-iat ka lang to?
Yep.
Ha? Kiat ka? Pero mo yung ano, ginagit ka? Show me ang grapes. Ginit mo ang grapes? You give some to Amara, yes or no? Why? Ay, Mary. Diba, sharing is caring? So, kita kay manang kuya, ha? Oh, sige na. Be, show me the grapes. There's a lot of grapes pa?
Yep.
Be, show me. Show me kung may unod pang grapes. Wow, what's that?